Good day, everyone. This is Ayomide tutorial. Today, we are going to look at a particular question here from Seth. This was sent to me by a friend. So, we have 3 over 4 of boys in Lagos club play basketball and 4 over 7 played football. Okay. Here they are talking about group of people in a club that are playing football and basketball. So they say 3/4 of the boys in Lagos club play basketball, and they say 4/7 plays football. They now say every boy plays at least one of these games. If 27 boys play both games, how many boys are there in the club? Okay. Now, this particular question can be solved using a particular formula relation, and can be also be solved using uh, Venn diagram. So before I used the Venn diagram, let me try to use the formula. But before I use the formula, let me try to explain some things. Now we are given the club. That is, say, in a Lagos club. So this in a Lagos club now, we don't know their number, but they just say they are boys, right? They are boys. Let me just represent them with this sign. Actually, I don't know their number. So let's say these are the club now. We don't know their number. So look at, I put dots. That is, it continue to a particular one. There will be a last person. When the number continue like this, there will be last person, right? There will be last person. So now let's say we have, now because the Hinalego start with I, so let me say they are all I. So they will be called the I club. That is Lagos club. You understand? I club. Now did I say three 3/4 of the boys in Lagos club play basketball? Now if 3/4 plays basketball, now for basketball, what do you see? Let me represent that with B. What do we see? We see that 3/4 of this set of people. So what will their number be? They say 3/4 of these people. So that will be 3/4 I. So that will be 3/4 I. Now for football also, that is F. They say is what? What do we have here? We have 4/7. 4/7. We have 4/7. So we have 4/7 of them. So we have these 4/7 of them. So we have 4/7 I. So we have the total number is I. Basketball 3/4 I. For football 4/7 I. Now they continue. They now say, if 27 boys, if 27 boys play both games, how many boys are there in the club? So these people that play both basketball and football, those people that play the two, they are 27. So basketball now, basketball and football is equals to 27. So this would play basketball and football at 27. Now, how can you put this one down in set? And is called intersection. Intersection. So because I've represented basketball with B and football with F, so I can say B intersection F. So B intersection F, and there that gives 27. It's still the same thing, but I just short it. I short it. I wrote it in short form. Now, so now we are given all this one. Now, if I want to use formula, I can use a formula to solve all these ones. I can use a formula. Let me firstly use the formula, so it will be very easy in exam situation. But for other means, for you to know more better, so you can please, I wish you should wait to the end of the tutorial. Please wait to the end of the tutorial. Let me just firstly use this formula. So the formula is cardinality of basketball plus cardinality of football must be equals to cardinality of football, basketball intersection football plus cardinality of basketball union football. So this is the formula. The cardinality means number, the number of those who play basketball, number of those that play football, number of those that play football and basketball of football. This one cardinality of those that play basketball or football. This one represent and this one represent or this one represent or. Understand? So for this situation, that can work. This formula can work. Those people that play basketball now, basketball, they are what? They are 3 over 4i. So I can say 3 over 4i. For those that play football, I can say 4 over 7i. 4 over 7, 4 over 7i. Okay, those people that play the 2, 227. And those people that play football and the youth or football or basketball or football. So I don't know them. Let me just call it I, that high. Let me call it that high. You understand? Let me call it that high. So now let me firstly dealt with this side. Let me dealt with this side. Now I can use two methods. I can even use three method also. I can use three method. I can use to work this one out. But I know most of us we are familiar with using LCM. Okay, but can we still use that? We can still use it, but let's make it more advanced. So let's make it, so this one, you are going to multiply these two together. You multiply them together. So if you multiply 4 and 7 together, what do you get? You get 28. So let's multiply this and this with this. So if I multiply 7 with 3, it gives me what? 21i. So you can still try with your LCM if you don't understand this. Multiply this one also with this. 4 times 4 gives you 16. 16i. And you are done. So we now get everything will be nice. What? 27 plus I. Multiply this with this, this. Multiply this with this, this. Multiply this with this, this. Now add 21 plus 16. That gives you 37i over 28. Okay, and this is 27 plus I. It's not taken now. So what we're going to do here, we can cross multiply, we can also collect like term, but we can do any of the two, it will work. But me, I want to multiply both sides with 28 because 28 is under here. I can easily multiply this side here with 28 and this place with 28, which is the same thing as cross. Let me just call it cross multiplying. Let me call it cross multiplying. So for that, I will put everything in this place over 1. And I will now apply my cross multiplying. So I'll apply my cross multiplying. So 1 times 37i. That gives me what? 37i. And this is 28. 28 times 27i. 28 times 27i. So we have 37i is equals to, if you multiply 28 times 27, so you can do that. This one 56 for this one 16, 13, 6, 5. So that is 756. 756. 756. You can also press calculator and get it. You can get it. That is 28 times 27. So what do we get? We get 756. So I'm correct. So we have used this 28 to multiply this 27. So use the 28 also to multiply this I. So we have 28i. Is that clear to you now? You can see that this is 37i and this is 28i. You can easily bring it to this side. When you bring it to this side, it become minus. Although you can see before it was plus, but if you cross this equals to become negative. So that's why we are going to have 27i minus 28i is equals to. So if this one leave this place, it will remain 756. So if you minus them, it give you 9. Abi 37 minus 28. 37 minus 28 gives me 9. 9. So 9i like that. So we have 9i. So for easy, so because we are looking for I, just divide both sides by 9. So 9 will cancel 9, and we are going to have I. So here we now have 7. So 756 divided by 9. What do we get? We get 84, and that is our answer. 84 is our answer. You can see when I apply a formula, this is what we get. But we can still use we can use Venn diagram. You can use a Venn diagram. You can see you can use it Venn that we have our B is what do we have here? Our B is 3 over 4, and the other one is 4 over 7. 3 over 4 I. F is 4 over 7, and then B intersection F is given as 27. So for our Venn diagram now, sorry for the way I draw it, please just manage it for me. It's a circle. It's a circle. They are both circles. They are both circles. So this place is I, your I. You understand? So let's say this place represents your B and this place represents your F. So those people that play the foot both now let me tell you something. whenever you want to do this Venn diagram, always start from the center. Always start from the center. So those people that played the game, this is the center, put 27 here. So those players that play basketball, they are 3 over 4 I. So just put your 3 over 4 I here, and put your, the people that play football, they are 4 over 7 I. Put it here also. Now what is the problem now? You can see that here, if you cover here, you will see that it forms something like this. It forms something like this. Something like this, that like crescent. Like crescent, something that is not perfectly circled. You understand? That's not perfectly circled. So because of that, this side represents 27 and it has been removed. Exactly this side. So because it's been removed, you are going to remove 27 from this place. And if you also look at this side, if you look at this side, the same problem that this side had, that's also the same place, the same problem that this one also has. So we have this place is, let me say everything is 4 over 7 I, but this part is removed and called 27. Exactly, this part is removed. Because it's removed now, so everything here will be inside this place, this side here. What forms something like, sorry, I not draw it very well. This one, this one will now be, this side inside this place will be 4 over 7 I minus 27. So that's actually what this place will be. Exactly, now only this side, so that's to here. So that's why we remove 27 from this place. Only this side to that side as we remove 27, and this side inside this place we have only 27 to stand there. So now what we're going to do, we are going to add this one plus this plus this. Again, this one plus this plus this. Let's do that now. Let's do that. We have 4I over 7 minus 27 plus 27, again, plus 4 over 7. Sorry, I've made a mistake. This one should be 3 over 4. 3 over 4. 3 over 4. 3 over 4. Should be 3 over 4. And this one will be 4 over 7. Sorry. 3 over 4. Okay, 4 over 7. I. Okay, minus 27 is equals to I. Okay. 3 over 4 minus 27 plus 27 plus 4 over 7 I minus 27 is equals to I. So you can see that this one have minus and this one has plus. So we can easily cancel out this one from each other. Cleared? So what are we going to have now remain? 3 over 4 I, and we have this plus 4 over 7 I minus 27 is equals to I. Is that clear now? So what we're going to do now? We have 3I over 4, 4I over 7 minus 27. Now, we can easily write it like this to make it easy for us to solve. You know, it's as if I write this one to here. So I can make this one over 1. The reason is because 1 is a universal denominator. Yes, sir. 1 is a universal denominator. So 27 divided by 1 is still 27. 27 times 1 is still 1. It's still 27 rather. 27 times 1, 27. 27 divided by 1, 27. 27 is power 1 is still 27. Thank you. Now, what is the LCM of this and this? What we applied the other time, we can also apply it with this side. But let me just try to find LCM so that. So what did the LCM of 471 is 28. I know. So 28. So 28 divided by 4. My calculator here. So 28 divided by 4. It gives me 7. So but I have 3 here. So times 3. So it gives me 21. So I have 21 I. Okay. Plus the other one is 28 divided by 7. 28 divided by 7. What I get? I get 4. 4 times what I have here? 4. Sorry. I get 16. 16I minus. This is the other one is 28 divided by 1. So 28 divided by 1 is 28. 28. 28, you can see. So 28. So 28 I have minus 27. So we have minus 27 times. We have times 27. So we have 756. 756 is equals to I. So I have that this is I and this is I. That gives me 37I minus 756 over 28 is equals to I. Is that clear now? Here, what I can do is that I can cross multiply 37I minus 756 over 28 is equals to I over 1. So I can make it over 1. So cross multiply now. This one multiply this one. So now I have 28I. That is 28 times I, 28I. So 1 times everything here is still the same thing as 37I minus 756. Yes. So this is 87I and this is 28I. So this one can easily come to this side. So when it comes, if 28I comes to this side because of this I here, it will become what? Negative. And if this one come to this side, it was negative before, but now it will be positive. Bring 28 to this side. So 27 will come to this side, become positive. So we have 756 is equals to 37I minus 28I. And that gives you what? 756 is equals to this one and this one. That gives you 9I. So divide both sides by 9 because we are looking for. So we have 756 is equals to 9I. Divide both sides by 9. So we have this one cancel this one. So press your calculator. 756 divided by 9. 756 divided by 9. What does it give? It gives what? 84. So 84 is equals to I. Therefore, I is equals to 84. So thank you. Thank you for watching this question. How we solve it? We solve it in two forms using formula and the other one using Venn diagram. Thank you. God bless you. Please follow my channel on YouTube and here on Facebook. Follow me, share my video, like it, please, and God bless you. My name on Facebook is Josiah Ash Socrates. Josiah Hash. No, when we press number, sometimes the number we press star 123 hash. So Josiah Hash Socrates. God bless you. And please support us. Thank you. Encourage us with your comment. And if you see any flaws or any mistake, please try to comment. God bless you.